What's up, everybody? It's Silver, and today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and assembling the Gyarados Model Kit figure from Bandai. I just put together Alcremie. I'll leave a linky link up here if you missed or want to see Alcremie. But yeah, we're going to be putting together our boy Gary. This is a more difficult looking model kit. It obviously has some articulation to it, but it still looks really cool. It's a much bigger box than Alcremie as well. This is actually significantly heavier than Alcremie's box was. So let's go ahead and see what lies within. Gary's angry eyes. Okay, this time we actually do have an instruction booklet. Alcremie was so simple to put together, they just printed it inside the box. Okay. So we have our instruction manual, and of course, as usual, you don't need to know Japanese to put these together. You just have to follow the pictures. They are fairly simple. We got our instructions. And then, alright. Whew. Okay, definitely more to work with here than with Alcremie. You see the segments of Gyarados' body. We got his little, here's his eyes and his little crown piece. We got his fins. Okay. Oh, these are different types of plastic from each other. This one I can just rip open. I can just tear this one open. Okay. So we got two separate pieces in here. Looking like this is going to be a pretty big model kit. Again, here's Alcremie for comparison. And then this one, okay, no, I was able to just rip both. Never mind, disregard. Oh, so we got his whiskers, looks like. Is that the right terminology? We got the underbelly and the fins. And looks like a little base, because Gyarados is a serpent, so doesn't exactly have legs. Gotta have some support. So, alright. Where do we begin? Here's the sticker sheet as well. Very few stickers, which is always a good sign. The fewer stickers, the better. Okay. Let us peruse the instruction booklet. Okay, so that's what the base looks like. Alright. This is at the very, looks like the very end. I'm reading this in the reverse order. Okay. They want us to start here. Looks, you know, simple enough. Needs a hyper beam. Yeah, that would be nice if they included an attack accessory, honestly. Okay, looks like it's as simple as just taking the head of Gary. And I said this in the Alcremie video, but you don't have to use pliers with these. You can if you want a cleaner pop out of all the pieces, but it's really personal preference. Okay, looks like, yeah, it looks like we just put together. It's a little bit terrifying. You kind of got a duck face. A little bit of a duck face. Okay, looks like, all right, we're taking putting the face together early. Ooh. This is very, sometimes the plastic has a different consistency. You can see this one's very, like, bendy. This one I maybe would use pliers if I had them. This plastic's kind of iffy. Just twist it like that. Alright, that looks pretty good. So they want us to put the stickers on right now, so let's do it. And also, like the Alcremie video, I do recommend a good pair of... It's so reflective, I can, like, blind myself. I don't know why they go for this mirror finish. I do recommend a good pair of tweezers for the stickers. Very helpful. Some of these stickers are teeny tiny. I'm gonna just use the edge of the plastic to try to center this here. Okay. There's one eye. One-eyed Gary. Place another one. Alright, I'd say that's good enough, right? Looks like... Oh, it's already... already taken shape here. Already taken shape. Looks like we gotta go for the fins next. So we have A212. This is not A2. This is A2. A nice space to lay out all these pieces would be great. I don't have that. My desk is very cramped. But if you have a wide open space, that would probably work out a little bit better. Where'd Gary go? Okay, here he is. I lost Gary. Alright. Very simple. Okay, looks like we're doing the mouth now, so he won't look so terrifying. We need A19, which is this piece right here. You can see the little teeth. And then this goes into A18. This piece. So... put that together like that. Now we gotta put the sticker on, so they're getting a lot of these stickers right out of the way. Which I guess I appreciate. I have it backwards. Use the back of the teeth to try to... So, this didn't lay perfectly. You can see the crease there. Kind of annoying. Sounds like Steven Universe music. Yeah, that's probably about as good as it will get. The stickers that have these little tabs that try to bend are always kind of annoying. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. So now we gotta have A111. This little piece. More teeth, looks like. Into A16. This piece. Oh, the teeth go through the piece. Okay. Alright. There we go, like, clicked into place. So we're already done with the first page. Oh, more stickers. Time for more stickers. Since this is the top of the mouth, we gotta use sticker number 5. Okay. Ooh, jeez. You gotta be careful of these pieces. You don't want to rip the sticker. That I almost just did that. Which I almost just did. Pieces love to just fall out of your hands. Became crooked very quickly. These stickers can kind of be a little bit forgivable, but you want to really make sure you push them down. Okay. So this is peculiar. They have one sticker on for the straightaway, and then we have to put stickers on the side. I don't know how this will end up looking. Then we need sticker number 4. These stickers don't want to come off. Okay. This goes... How does this go? I have the wrong side. Okay. All right. The other side. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Not perfect, but I think it's okay. The making mouth stickers is a pain. Yeah, it really is. They're really hitting us up front with them too. Oh, then we gotta put the mouth together. Ta-da! Looks like a toilet. Alright, Gary. Oh, okay. There we go. Alright, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Perfect. He's got the shoop-de-whoop mouth. Okay, first part of Gary done. Looks like we're doing more fins. So we need B3. That is not B3. This is B3. Or is it? Well, I mean, there's no other white parts, so it has to be. Oh, never mind. I'm reading this the wrong way. We gotta do his fangs. This is B3. So we need A12. I'm firing my laser. Blar. What is this song? It's a bop. I'm 23. Pleasant Life. Or Pleasant. Our Life. Beginnings and Always. I've never even heard of that game. Okay, so we got our fin piece, and then we need B317. So this little piece here. So then... What is this? Oh. Where does this go? Like, it looks like it slides in, but that's not how that should go. These pieces are very small. I'm having a hard time, like, getting a hold of them. I don't want to fit it. This is how it's supposed to go. Shiny Lapras, nice. I love Shiny Lapras. Lapras would be a good choice for a model kit. Straight up. Okay. It fits in like this, but that's not correct. It's got to cover this piece. I have the wrong... Yeah, like, it should cover the fin like this, but then this piece doesn't... This doesn't fit. This doesn't want to fit. Let me pull the other... Did I get the wrong one? Plastic's very soft. I don't want to break it in half. Please, come on. Okay, I had the wrong one. That fits. I just had the wrong one. My bad. I was like, wait a second. Okay. Yeah, I just had them mixed up. Okay, crisis averted. Hit your teeny fin. Which way do these go now? There we go. There's one. Not fully in. There's two. Okay, we got the fins in the front of the face in. Perfect. Now what is needed? Okay, looks like we just put in the... whatever his whiskers. I feel like that's not the right terminology. His whiskers. Like, he's a kitty cat. He's a little kitty cat. Okay, there's one. That was super easy. That fit in perfectly. And there's two. So you can actually kind of move these too, which is nice. You want dynamic Gary Whisker action. So, done with another page. Not too bad. The hard part, I think, is yet to come. I don't think we're at the, quite... Okay, here we go. Now we're starting to get into the, articulated parts. Anytime these little bits show up... Okay. Scoop Gary's, decapitated head off to the side. And let's go to B1. Ooh. So now we're going to be using more of these pieces. B1, 2. That needs to go in A110. Need 1 and 2. So, looks like... fits in like a little hammer. How does this piece? Like it goes like this. Okay. Little teeny tiny Gyarados hammer. We need another fin. We need A213, which is this one. There we go. Now we need A17. Where's... right here. Little, like, half-moon looking piece. This goes... okay. Looks like we're building a little Gyarados-themed submarine. Oh, this is done. This goes into Gary. Gary's, okay. He's starting to come together. It's starting to come together. What's the difference between a Radiant shiny card and a regular shiny card? I guess that depends on the set. So, like, Shining Fates, they're all just shiny. But Radiant cards, which started... when did Radiant cards start? They've been for the last few sets. They're... I don't know... shiny and Radiant. It really depends on the set. Oh, you secured the Zacian and Zama figure boxes? Nice. I'm kind of scared about those. I'm nervous I won't be able to pick them up super easily. That's cool. Okay. Now what do? We do B1, 7, A2, 18, and B1, 6. Get B1, 6, 7, and A2, 18. This piece right here. This. Then we need A220. Okay, so these are all just ways to cover his segments, I see. A20. Gyarados needs some modesty. There, that's this. These are so satisfying to put together. Again, it's like putting together a puzzle. It just super satisfying to do. Then we need B4, or B1, 4. And then B1, 3. Okay, so we're done with this sheet. Get out of here. Then A2, 19. Like this piece goes like this. I'm dropping it. This way. Oh. I see. They ship to the US. How much are they? How much did you pay for them? I don't even know how much they'll cost, like, retail. I assume 30 bucks if I had to guess. Alright, I overcomplicated that. It was very simple. It was far more simple than I thought it would be. Then we need A2, 21. Gary Ball. Alright, so next, we're we're getting there. We're getting there. Next up, we gotta get B29. So our first one of these. 10. And then A2, 16. Is this insane looking piece right here. Okay, so they basically line up how it goes. So just like that. All right, perfect. We gotta take another fin. So this is A2, 14. I just knocked Typhlosion over. I'm so sorry. Let me just fix that real quick. There you go, buddy. Another fin down. So then we gotta get this piece, A217. Okay, so this is pretty easy, actually. I think I was over complicating how difficult this model kit would be. Assemble it like this. A little bit of articulation here. And it looks like gotta do this one more time. And another one down. A2, 22. This one. This little funky piece goes like this. Like. And we need another fin. This one is A215. I will just preemptively push this one out right now because I have a feeling that is what's up next. Fin goes in like this. Okay, perfect. And boom. Just like that. So we have a bunch of different Gary segments that I assume we are about to assemble. Yes, that would be the case. Okay, we gotta put the tail on. The tail is our final part here. So A1, 1. A1, 1. And we need B3, 15. Piece. Oh, gee, I'm getting ahead of myself. I need 18, not 15. We need the pale blue outline first. Like this. Gotta take this piece. Satisfying clicks. So now it is time to assemble the Gary. Nope. Stay closed, instruction booklet. I need to see what I'm doing. Okay, so we take this part. Then... Nope. Then... This piece... That goes into this piece. Doesn't help that I have my fan on high right now. That is why it's blowing around so much. Okay. Oh my god, we have a Gary! Oh, that was way more simple than I thought it would be. I was definitely overcomplicating. Thinking things were going to be a bit more complicated than they were. They broke it down, and whoever designed this did a really good job. They broke it down in super easy segments. That's really nice. Okay, perfect. Now we just gotta get the base. I think that is our last step. It is. You have to... I think the base is just the base. Our last piece. I kind of wish this was translucent, just a clear plastic. I don't love when the bases are colored in, but... And what can you do? What can you do? And we used up all of our stickers. No more stickers left. It looks like... How do you sit in this base, Gary? How do you sit in this base? Okay. There we go. He's in the base. We did it. That was way easier than I thought it would be. That was super fun, man. We should just keep getting Pokemon model kits. They're so much fun. They are so much fun. Alright, let's take a look at Gary here. Ain't that nice? I'd say the mouth stickers are the worst part. Like, you can see I didn't do the best job. I mean, I tried my best, but... Yeah, that's definitely... I mean, you can't really tell from afar. Yeah, so you can swivel them around. You can move this part. You can sort of move the whiskers. Yeah, all the segments are movable. Be a little too much. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there's Gary. This looks super nice. Oh, the tail is also movable as well, so really cool. Really, really cool. This is a great size too. Like, get the face off for a second. Here is Alcremie for a comparison. They're friends. Gyarados is not about to eat Alcremie. I don't know what you're talking about. But, yeah, that's cool. This came out really nice, and that was, I don't know how long that took me. Did that take me about, like, 30 minutes, maybe? Half an hour? That's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. Yeah, that looks great. Ooh, I'd be super tempted. I really want to learn airbrushing. I would love to paint this shiny. That would be really fun. But yeah, this was great. Again, I'll link this, I'll link where I got this down in the description below. I got this at Hobby Link for probably around 1,000 yen. And I'll link if it's on Amazon too, because again, they've been starting to sell these guys on Amazon, which is pretty cool. But yeah, Gary rules! Let's go, Gary! Maybe I should get the giant Magikarp to go with my Gary. Freaking sweet. I like the whiskers there. That looks good. That looks good. Gary, 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 Gary. You can kind of push it up so it'll sit in the base like that. Yeah, that looks super cool. Boom. There we go. That didn't take much time at all.